Welcome to the 2026 CompTIA A Plus 220-1101 Virtualization and Cloud Computing Practice Test. This test will have 20 questions with explained answers that will help you prepare for the test. Be sure to reboot that like button by turning it white. Now here's your CompTIA instructor to walk you through the questions.
Question 1. A technician needs to test software without affecting the host system. What should be used? A. VPN. B. Virtual machine. C. NAS. D. Cloud storage. The correct answer is B. Virtual machine. The key requirement is isolating test software, so it cannot affect the host operating system. A virtual machine runs a separate OS instance with isolated resources, making it ideal for testing. VPNs secure network traffic, while NAS and cloud storage only provide file storage, not execution isolation. Question 2. Which CPU feature is required to run most modern hypervisors efficiently? A. Multicore support. B. Hyperthreading. C. Virtualization extensions. D. Overclocking. The correct answer is C. Virtualization extensions. Modern hypervisors require CPU virtualization extensions, Intel VTX or AMD-V, to run virtual machines efficiently and securely. Multicore and hyperthreading improve performance but do not enable virtualization by themselves. Overclocking increases speed but provides no virtualization support. Question 3. Which cloud service model provides virtual machines and storage? A. SaaS. B. PaaS. C. IaaS. D. DaaS. The correct answer is C. IaaS. IaaS provides virtual machines, storage, and networking, giving customers control over the operating system and applications. SaaS delivers complete applications with no infrastructure control, while PaaS focuses on application development platforms rather than raw VMS. The presence of virtual machines is the key differentiator. Question 4. A company wants to run its own applications but avoid managing hardware. Which model fits best? A. SaaS. B. PaaS. C. IaaS. D. On-premises. The correct answer is C. IaaS. The company wants control over its applications and operating systems without owning physical hardware, which aligns with IaaS. AAS removes application control entirely, and on-premises requires full hardware management. PaaS limits OS-level control, making it less suitable for this requirement. Question 5. Which cloud deployment model uses shared provider infrastructure? A. Private cloud. B. Community cloud. C. Public cloud. D. Hybrid cloud. The correct answer is C. Public cloud. Public cloud infrastructure is shared among multiple customers and hosted by a third-party provider over the Internet. Private clouds are dedicated to a single organization, while hybrid clouds combine private and public resources. The keyword shared provider infrastructure directly points to public cloud. Question 6. AVM is consuming too many host resources. What should be adjusted first? A. Guest OS updates. B. VM resource allocation. C. Cloud billing settings. D. Network firewall rules. The correct answer is B. VM resource allocation. Excessive host resource usage is controlled by adjusting CPU, memory, and storage limits assigned to the VM. Guest OS updates do not restrict how many resources the hypervisor allocates. Billing settings and firewall rules do not affect real-time resource consumption. Question 7. Which cloud characteristic allows automatic scaling based on demand? A. High availability. B. Metered usage. C. Rapid elasticity. D. File synchronization. The correct answer is C. Rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity allows cloud resources to automatically scale up or down based on demand. High availability focuses on uptime, not scaling. Metered usage only tracks consumption for billing and does not control resource allocation. Question 8. Which technology allows multiple OS instances on one physical machine? A. RAID. B. Containerization. C. Virtualization. D. Load balancing. The correct answer is C. Virtualization. Virtualization uses a hypervisor to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on one physical machine. Containers share the host OS and do not run separate OS instances. RAID and load balancing address storage and traffic distribution, not OS isolation. Question 9. A technician wants minimal overhead while deploying applications. What should be used? A. Full virtual machines. B. Containers. C. Physical servers. D. RAID arrays. The correct answer is B. Containers. Containers provide minimal overhead because they share the host OS kernel while isolating applications. Full virtual machines require separate operating systems, increasing resource usage. Physical servers and RAID arrays do not optimize application deployment efficiency. Question 10. Which cloud model integrates on-premises and cloud resources? A. Public cloud. B. Private cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. D. Community cloud. The correct answer is C. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud environments integrate on-premises infrastructure with public cloud resources. Public and private clouds operate independently and do not combine environments. The keyword integrates directly distinguishes hybrid cloud from other models. Question 11. Which cloud feature ensures users pay only for what they use? A. Rapid elasticity. B. High availability. C. Metered utilization. D. Resource pooling. The correct answer is C. Metered utilization. Metered utilization tracks actual resource consumption, so customers are billed only for what they use. Rapid elasticity controls scaling, not billing. Resource pooling and high availability describe infrastructure design, not cost measurement. Question 12. A company wants users to access virtual desktops remotely. Which service fits best? A. SaaS. B. DaaS. C. PaaS. D. IaaS. The correct answer is B. DaaS. Desktop as a Service delivers full virtual desktops that users can access remotely from any device. SaaS provides individual applications, not entire desktops. IaaS and PaaS require the customer to build and manage the desktop environment themselves. Question 13. Which hypervisor type runs directly on hardware? A. Type 2. B. Hosted. C. Bare metal. D. Application. The correct answer is C. Bare metal. Bare metal. Type 1. Hypervisors run directly on physical hardware without a host operating system. Hosted. Type 2. Hypervisors require an underlying OS, adding overhead. The key distinction is direct hardware access. Question 14. A VM loses network connectivity, but the host remains connected. What is most likely the cause? A. Host NIC failure. B. VM network adapter misconfiguration. C. ISP outage. D. DNS server failure. The correct answer is B. VM network adapter misconfiguration. If the host has network access but the VM does not, the issue is almost always within the VM's virtual network adapter or switch configuration. A host NIC failure or ISP outage would affect both systems. DNS issues would not completely prevent network connectivity. Question 15. Which cloud characteristic allows multiple customers to share infrastructure securely? A. High availability. B. Resource pooling. C. Rapid elasticity. D. Measured service. The correct answer is B. Resource pooling. Resource pooling allows multiple customers to share the same physical infrastructure while remaining logically isolated. High availability focuses on uptime, and rapid elasticity focuses on scaling. Measured service tracks usage rather than enabling multi-tenancy. Question 16. Which technology isolates applications while sharing the host OS? A. Virtual machines. B. RAID. C. Containers. D. Load balancers. The correct answer is C. Containers. Containers isolate applications while sharing the host operating system kernel, which minimizes resource overhead. Virtual machines isolate entire operating systems, requiring more resources. RAID and load balancers do not provide application isolation. Question 17. Which scenario best fits SaaS? A. Running a custom web server. B. Developing applications. C. Using web-based email. D. Hosting virtual machines. The correct answer is C. Using web-based email. SaaS delivers fully managed applications that users access through a browser, such as web-based email. Running servers or hosting virtual machines requires infrastructure management and aligns with IaaS. Developing applications aligns with PaaS, not SaaS. Question 18. A technician wants to ensure VM snapshots do not consume excessive storage. What should be monitored? A. CPU usage. B. Snapshot frequency. C. Network latency. D. Hypervisor version. The correct answer is B. Snapshot frequency. Frequent snapshots consume significant disk space because each snapshot stores changes to the VM state. CPU usage and network latency do not affect snapshot storage growth. Hypervisor version does not control snapshot accumulation. Question 19. Which benefit allows quick recovery after VM failure? A. Snapshotting. B. Overclocking. C. Metered usage. D. NAT. The correct answer is A. Snapshotting. Snapshots allow rapid recovery by reverting a virtual machine to a previous known good state. Overclocking affects performance, not recovery. Metered usage and NAT are unrelated to VM restoration. Question 20. Which cloud service requires the least customer management responsibility? A. IaaS. B. PaaS. C. SaaS. D. Private cloud. The correct answer is C. SaaS. SaaS. Places application, platform, and infrastructure management entirely on the provider. IaaS and PaaS require customer involvement in OS or application management. Private cloud environments require the most customer responsibility.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Check out these videos that can help you with your CompTIA exam. If you need more help beyond these videos, we have free practice tests on our website. We have the links down in the description. Don't forget to reboot that like button and subscribe to our channel.